Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. iPhone user facing an issue, that is their iPhone screen blurry in the top left corner after the latest update to iOS 14.4.2. So without wasting any time, let's get started to fix this issue. Solution number 1. Turn on and turn off zoom. For that, go to settings, then tap accessibility, and under accessibility tap on zoom. Now enable zoom, wait for couple of minutes and disable zoom. Solution number 2. Check screen appearance. To check that, go to settings, then tap display and brightness. Here change the appearance of your screen. If you already selected dark mode, then switch to light mode. If you select light mode, then switch to dark mode. After that, go back to iPhone home screen and force restart your iPhone by pressing home button and the power button until Apple logo appears. And if you are using latest iPhone model, then quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. Solution number 3. Enable and disable bold text. For that, go to settings and tap display and brightness. Under display and brightness, scroll down and enable bold text. Now we wait for couple of minutes. After that, disable bold text. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.